Hi my lovelies, it's Ethony and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon for November 2020. Better late than never. Look, it came really late in the game because, you know, COVID. So let's open up this box together and see what is inside. All right. Hello. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I got the Moon Goddess card. A time of necessary upheaval, a blessing in disguise. As the dust settles, the gift reveals itself. I reject that message. I do not need any unnecessary upheaval. No. No.
Denied.
I don't need that. I reject that message. I think it's a beautiful card. I do not need any more upheaval in my life. Which says no. Boundaries. I know that was a little dramatic, but I do not need any upheaval. I feel like it's okay to say no to that sort of stuff because it's my life and I can do that. Ooh, hello. Ooh, look, it's carved in the back. The Witch's Moon, an air element. Okay, let's take everything out. This is called The Witch and the Wind. So much stuff. All right, let's go through. So we have Remembrance, Ritual Incense. Let's see if I can have a snifferoo at what's in here. Oh, that's nice. What's in here? Doesn't say. It's a bit musky. It's got a nice musk to it. It's nice. It's lovely. And obviously, incense is the element of air and fire, so that makes sense. Ooh, air ritual salt. Oh, there's some beautiful minty tones in this. There's chamomile and mint for sure in that. Breath of Enlil. Known as the ancient Mesopotamian god of wind and air, Enlil sits on the highest throne of mythology and ideology in the ancient pantheon. Also called upon as the Lord of Air, Enlil carries power and presence beyond belief and is said to control the gentle or aggravated storms or breezes that pass along the earthly terrain. That is some majesty right there. That is a gorgeous salt. So let's talk about this beautiful creature. This is a hand-carved wind spirit plaque. There is so much wisdom to be gained from working with the great and powerful air and wind energies. The lessons learned are some that hold such deep and intimate meaning in our craft, practices, and perspectives. So there's a lot of air. I would be an airbender straight up. I think it's the coolest bending, but there are a lot of amazing elemental aspects of air. May the winds push and pull, wind and weave, bestow and let carry on. How beautiful is that? It's made from teak wood, ethically sourced, and it has a beautiful carving in the back showing you where it is from. And obviously air is connected with our breath and being present, and I really, really enjoy that. So let's see what's in this little paper baggie. Oh, there are little herbs. We have chicory, anise, seeds, and linden leaf. So a little herby werbies for our apothecary. Wonderful ways to bulk up your apothecary shelves, and you can use them in spells. We have a big pile here, so let's see what's in here too. This is new, they didn't always bag them up like this. So we have the Effortless Movement sigil. I'm probably gonna have to write on that that's the sigil because I will forget. I've got a number of the sigils from the Witch's Moon. Then we have, the Nightfall Winds incantation. We have Eros, Book of Shadows. So these are all the sacred winds. Oh, it's the 4 winds. Of course. Oh, ding dong. East wind, west wind, south wind, and the north wind. Now, this is going to be based on location because, like, for example, if you're in Australia, and you're on the west coast and the west wind comes in, it's a very different energy. It's got its own magic and mythology connected to the land, but it's really great to have these like 4 wind information for your Book of Shadows. What a beautiful Book of Shadows pack that is. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Then we have a hand-rolled The Watchful Wind spell candle. Ooh, that blue. That lavender on there too, it's gorgeous. We have hand rolled and charged this candle with the purpose of opening your environment to the influences of the watchful winds. We recommend burning this candle during times of deep intentional work where you may be seeking answers, support and guidance in your immediate reality. Beautiful. All right, what else we got? We got more goodies. The Four Winds anointing oil. I smell mint in that one as well. It's definitely some sort of mint. There's definitely a mint in there. Makes sense. Like mints are very associated with the element of air. Four Winds magical anointing oil. Peppermint, lavender, lemongrass, dandelion, and some other beautiful things in there with the Keeper of the Winds magical oil from their personal cabinet. Really beautiful. Anointing oils can be used on your tools. It can be used in a burner. Not in a diffuser, but in a burner. You can put them on your candles. You can use them on your temples or on your wrists to anoint yourself during ritual. And you can even use it to anoint some crystals. Just make sure you're checking what kind of crystals you're using because not all crystals will work well with oils. Oh, I love me a good spray. What's this one? Gentle Air Ritual Aura Spray. That's gorgeous. Lemon, spearmint, bergamot, and other oils as well. It's absolutely beautiful. It's very light, as you would want it to be for the element of air. Very clean and refreshing, which is a beautiful scent. And then you get your little mister as well. And then this gorgeous little organza bag. Inside, we have a little selenite palm stone. Cute. So the selenite palm stone is connected to air, water, the chakra, the third eye. So used as a facilitator of cleansing and communication, selenite is a wonderful partner to work with. While we commonly use this stone to attract spirits near, selenite can be placed on several chakra centers to cleanse and realign before starting any spiritual or magical practice. Beautiful. And then we have our parchment. This is a gorgeous collection. I am a Gemini sun, so I identify heavily with the element of air. I can't wait to work with it all. I hope you enjoyed having a look through the goodies of the Witch's Moon. I will place in the description box where you can get your own, and I will see you all next time.